Hello everyone, today I'll share another Pujo special makeover video. For prepping my skin, here I am applying a lightweight moisturizer. After it absorbs, I'll apply a pore filling primer which will give my base a blurred effect. Look, here I am applying it mainly into my T-zone and around my nose. Now taking an eyebrow pencil, I will fill my brows. I am applying the product and combing through it so that it spreads evenly. Now taking a concealer, I will make a base for my upcoming eyeshadows. After blending the concealer on my upper lid area, I will set it with a powder. I'll dip my brush into a medium brown eyeshadow and define my crease and outer corner with it. Now taking a light matte color, I am filling the inner lid space area. Now taking the powder foundation, I'll highlight my brow bone area. After that, taking the same concealer, I'll cover my under eyes darkness. And I'll also apply it on the highest parts of my face. I'll spread some fixing spray onto the brush and blend the concealer with it. Now, taking just a drop of liquid foundation on the back of my hand, I'll warm it up a little bit. And then I'll apply the foundation all over my face with the same brush. Now taking a loose powder, I'll set my foundation where I need to set, like in my T-zone area. Next, applying some bronzer. Then mixing a blush and a subtle highlighter, I'm applying it onto my cheeks with an upward motion. Now completing my eye look with a medium brown eyeshadow, applying it onto my lower lash line. And then curling my lashes. Look, it immediately makes a difference. Now applying a good coat of mascara both on the upper and lower lashes. Now applying a lipstick which matches my outfit. Applying a red bindi, finishing it off with makeup setting spray, putting on some jewelry, applying sindoor, and now I'm done. Please let me know how the whole look has been turned out.